Hello, everyone. Good morning. I would like to introduce myself very quickly. My name is Violette Impellizzeri, and I'm an astronomer in Leiden Observatory. I'd like to say a couple of words about me to set the scene for this session, I hope. I've worked at NRAO and at the ALMA Observatory in Chile for a total of 12 years. The telescope is located in the Atacama Desert, which is also known as the driest desert on Earth. And so I lived there for around 9 years, not in the desert, but in Chile. ALMA construction started in 2011, and I joined in 2008 and 2009, and I joined in 2011. I wanted to share a beautiful picture of ALMA. These are the telescopes located at 5,000 meter altitude. Telescopes are really at a high altiplane that's so high that it actually is, kind of at the edge. You can see the atmosphere getting thinner. You can certainly feel it. And one of the things that I became very sensitive to is how fragile an ecosystem is while working there. And also, how do we power these antennas in a way that's environmentally friendly? Here's where the telescope is. As I said, it's in the north of Chile and is in a very, very dry desert. So I became really attuned to the concept of us as scientists, not only being responsible for science, but also for our ecosystem, because we're also earthlings. And this is a beautiful picture. I really like it because it shows not only how diverse our beautiful Earth is, but also how thin is our atmosphere, how we have to protect it. And as a reminder, we got nowhere else to go. So I'm one of the founding members, with these feelings in mind, of Astronomers for Planet Earth. This is a grassroots organization. It's made by colleagues all around the world, all astronomers, and we're really interested to share our message, which is a message of our Earth is important and we have to take care of it. This is a picture we took of the founding of the EU portion of Astronomers for Planet Earth. We then joined forces with our North American colleagues. We actually took the name from them. We had a different name initially. And I realized that magic happens when you start talking about climate concerns to your friends and colleagues. So this was created with love. We have a message for the world. We are ever expanding. At the moment, we almost have 1,500 members in 75 countries. I had to update this number yesterday because it's been growing. It was about 69 from a few months ago, and it keeps growing. It really is a lot of momentum and a lot of interest. We wrote an open letter to sustain that. We named sustainability as our primary goal, and we have different practices. I won't talk more about it. For those of you who are interested, we have a beautiful website also with a lot of information, but we do stand behind the science. We have setting up sustainability committees. We share resources and solutions. And what's relevant for this group here is we want to educate, to educate is the biggest impact we astronomers probably have. And so in that, with that spirit in mind, we started our first educational program last year to teach astronomy and climate in a school here. Of course, Anika is one of our speakers of this session. She's going to present this program in more detail. We just had a lesson last Friday in a different school, and this has been very successful as well. We're having virtual meetings regularly. The next meeting, please sign up if you're an astronomer, or if you're not and you're interested. The next symposium is at the end of this month on November 29th to the 2nd of December. It will be fully online and everybody is welcome to attend it. And I would like to finish by saying some final words as introduction, and a sentence that I really like, and I hope it will encapsulate the feeling, the theme of this session. In the end, we will conserve only what we love. We will love only what we understand, and we will understand only what we are taught. So I wish everyone a great meeting, and I'm really excited to be here.